Greater Anglia is offering the chance for young individuals aged 18 to 25 the chance to complete a 3-week work scheme. Today we're talking to previous successful applicants of the First Step into Rail scheme to understand just how this scheme benefits you. We are now going to be interviewing Louis, who has also previously completed the First Step into Rail scheme. He now has a permanent position at Ipswich Station.
Hi, my name is Louis. My first step into the railway was the Greater Anglia pre-employment programme that I did about 6 months prior to this role that I do now. So from completing the scheme that I did with Greater Anglia, I've gained good social communication skills and self-confidence, dealing with all the different types of people and the different types of queries that you get. So being able to adapt to everyone's different needs. So I've been able to apply those skills outside of work as well and in my everyday life, which has really helped me to get to where I am today. So with the application process, there's quite a few steps involved in completing the process, but I'd say it's absolutely worth signing up for. And if you really want to work on the railway, like I do myself, or like I always did, and then absolutely go for it. I think a piece of advice that I would definitely pass on to a future participant is anything that they might be struggling with during their scheme is to take it as the opportunity to learn from and to really thrive and to do the best they can in what they already do and what they're already good at.